Welcome my friends, my name is Yuri, top trading you offer. This lesson will be about why it's so important to set stop losses and why sometimes it will save you millions of USD, not thousands, millions of USD. I'll show you a real example where one woman lost millions of USD. That's why let's go and let's do it. Let's cover this topic. History started today. As you can see, Ri wrote to me July 23. Hi Yuri, I am from Indonesia. My friend using EA. EA, it's expert advisor. It's a robot for trading, and that robot used Martingale. Martingale, it is when, for example, price rise, you open sell here. Price rise again, you open sell, and you go against the price. And when there would be some pullback, small pullback, you close all that positions. But when market start global trend up, with huge possibility you will not be able to close it. I hope you can give me some advice. Take a look, it's here account. As you can see, 15 millions of USD real account, real, all evidence and real. And as you can see, they opened buy on Euro USD at, let's take a look on this. Here, first position was at 1.10, and after that, as you can see, when price rose up, they added additional positions, and the last one were here, and only at this moment she started opening buy. Oh my god, I told here to close their position, and at this moment take a look what's going on with Euro USD. You can see this chart and you can see that Euro USD rose up 1.10, their position 1.10, where it was nearly here, 1.10. It was their first sell at this point. That means she held all that loss more than 1 month, nearly 2 months. Just imagine what he feel. And the main problem, because she didn't cut stop loss when she opened buy here and price rose up, and she didn't cut stop loss. Because of small stop, at this moment she will lose far more bigger amount of money. Because of small stop risk, with huge possibility she will blow out not that account, but a bigger part of that. Because as you can see, I advise here to close all that position, close completely, because I will show you other examples of another traders what happened with them. And after that, I will show you what you need to do to avoid such mistake and never repeat them. Because if you will continue and if you will repeat, the same will happen with you over and over again. Another example for you of another man here. I forgot his name. He wrote to me yesterday, as you can see. And take a look, 138k account and such loss. And take a look where gold was at that time. When he wrote to me, gold were at 1,842. And as you can see, he used the same strategy. It calls Martingale. When price go against him, he open sell. Price go against him, he open additional sell. Price go against him, he open new additional sell. And after that, when you repeat it many times, you have huge account. But take a look on his mistake. If he wouldn't use that Martingale strategy, he could close only 4k of lose, 4,000 of lose, and he could save all his entire account. But he thinks that he is better, he can outsmash the market. And as you can see, he lost nearly 62k, because I also advise him to close this position. And as you can see, he wrote to me in Telegram, and you can see I closed all yesterday negative $62k. Other the lose could be like $80k. Just imagine. My advice saved him 20k, and he could close it. Even if he would added any position, he could close it with minus 4k as a loss. That's example for you. If you will not set stop losses, there will be a time when market will start a trend move. Example for you, like on gold. And just imagine, he opened first sell at 1,700, nearly in this area on gold. Nearly in this area he opens first sell. And as you can see, where is gold at this moment? Nearly 1,700 here, and gold just rise. And at this moment, with huge possibility, you will see it at 1,920. That's once more. Always set stop losses in low predictable risk per position. And additional stuff to you, another man, his name is Muhammad. It's a third example. Hey boss, this Muhammad, 1,043k on his account. and I would like to show here trades. As you can see, he sent to me his access to his account, and when I saw the same, he opened a position, price moved against him and he didn't close it. And take a look what happened after that. Here it was a DAX index, price go against him, he didn't close, and as you can see, he opened sell, 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 sell. Only here at the high he opened new buy. And what happened after that? Yes, he blew out all that account. And what can I tell you at this moment, my friends? First, the main problem is when you open a trade before, you need to know where you set stop loss, what will be your risk exactly. For example, before I open a trade, I always write down a trading plan. Like every day, I write down a trading plan. And I ask myself, what will be my risk in that position? For example, I can lose in some position 100 USD. And after that, I need to understand what volume I can open to have a specific risk per position. About that, I recommend you to open our lesson, Forex Calculator. I recommend you to open that lesson and you will be able to understand how to calculate proper risk per position. Forex Calculator, as you can see, it is our video, our lesson, where I recorded exactly why and how you should use Forex Calculator, how you should put risk per position. If you trade stocks, it's even easier. For crypto markets, it's a little bit harder. That's why first, before you open a trade, always know what your risk will be per position. Second, always you need to know where you will close position if price will go against you. Third, if you don't have step-by-step plan, a strategy, never trade. About step-by-step strategy, a plan, I create a free trading course. It would be useful, especially for beginners. Below this video, you can sign up on that course, and there I exactly explain how to cut losses, how to use proper risk management and all that stuff. Also, for some of you, I recommend to leave the market and never trade, or find a mentor who will help you and who will guide you. Because without good and step-by-step knowledge, huge possibility that you will never succeed. And you need to build a strategy. You need to have a plan, what to do, all of that stuff. Do you think it's like a joke or something like that? And the next point, when some brokers, some guys call to you, hey man, there's a big opportunity. Gold will skyrocket. Just buy gold. Just deposit money and let's trade together. I'll help you. We have an analytic in our company.
You can trust and who can consistently make you money. Sound fair enough?
Don't believe in that stuff, because with huge possibility when someone tell you that they have some analytics, something like that, they want to just get and steal your money. That's why never do it. Never believe in people who do some services, because there are a lot of scam brokers which just call you and will tell you deposit, 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 and that's all. That's why, my friend, protection of your capital, it is your responsibility. Only you can do it. Type here, just vote here. Did you use any time before a risk manager? Because you can protect your account only when you have a good risk manager. You can do it manually, or you can set a soft where you will have predictable risk for every day. Trader always need to have tomorrow. Remember it. It must be your, you can build, you can make a tattoo with trader always need to have tomorrow. Just do it. And at this moment, I have only one ask. Right now, push like, subscribe on this YouTube channel, turn on the notification, because believe me, my friend, there will be far more bigger amount of these lessons which will help you, and you will trade better after that, especially when you will implement it. That's why just do me a favor, because when you push like, YouTube sees that this video is far better, and it promotes to other people. When you turn on notification, subscribe, write comment and push like, do all that stuff, that would be the best thank you from your side. Thank you for your time. Trade safely. See you. Bye.